Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to carbonate a small corny keg of beer. It's a very simple process. You want to make sure it's cold first, get that temperature down so that the gas will easily liquefy into the solution, into the beer. So you want it cold to do it. Many people do it by putting pressure on and simply rocking it back and forth. That works. You can also just hook it up and put the pressure on and put it right back into your kegerator and just give it time. It's going to take a lot more time to do that. You can put it under pressure and after a week and you want to test it and see. That's probably the best way to do it, but usually patience is an issue because you want to try it, you want to drink it, you want to have people over or whatever you want to do. So force carbonating is a great way to do it quickly. I have found how I like to do it is I'll use a trash can here. So let's flip this guy around. I've got my gauge on my CO2 regulator set to about 28 psi, and I'm going to go ahead and hook it up. It's a very simple setup, and this is how it hooks to a corny keg. That supplies the pressure. There we go. Now that's on there good. And it's nice if you got the corny kegs with a nice handle here, and then it's got a lip on the bottom. And what I do rather than rolling it, what I found works easier is I sit on a trash can like this, and I rock it back and forth like this. You do this for about 4 minutes. You don't want to over-carbonate it, so don't do it for too long. But you'll hear the gas in there filling as it rises, as it travels through, as you're rocking it. Rocking it this way, the gas is going up that way. It's getting as much of the surface area of the beer as possible. And that's what you're doing, just to do it quickly. Okay, so I wanted you to hear the carbonation happening as I rock this versus rolling it. So I'm going to take my mic off. Hear that steady flow of CO2 liquefying the beer. I've found this is much more effective than rolling. But you can rock and roll. Once you're done rocking the keg, then you put it back in the kegerator and put the pressure down to 10 to 12 psi for pouring. Different styles of beer will have slightly different carbonation levels. This is my amber Hefeweizen. I like that amount there. It's got nice head retention. Delicious. You might not want to carbonate other styles of beer as much. Just depends on personal preference, but the carbonation is key for mouthfeel and taste of any beer. That's pretty much all there is to it. This is just a quick video on forced carbonating beer. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. And there we have it. All right.